Oh, we are excited just to have a sex.
Who do you see over at Norwalk usually? Kendra?
Yes. Is that her name?
Probably.
That's her name.
She's Mormon?
I don't think so.
That's who I see as the Mormon.
Okay.
I just remember because we talked about it at length.
All right, let's show you what we got here. Just one thing I really wanted to try to get a profile shot of her face. There we go. It's about as good as we're going to do because she's really been looking at us the whole time. Do you see what I'm talking about? Forehead, nose, shadow, orbit, upper, lower jawbone. All the other pictures we've done on her have been direct face-ons because that has been the position that she's in. So this is a profile shot. All right, you're good to go.